NetSuite has just announced that they're end-of-lifing both their NetSuite POS solution as well as SuiteCommerce in-store. Now, not to confuse anybody out there are multiple SuiteCommerce products. This is just SuiteCommerce in-store. This does not impact SuiteCommerce, SuiteCommerce Advanced, or SuiteCommerce My Account. And although they share the same name of SuiteCommerce, they're a very different product. And overall, that is part of the reason why they are end-of-lifing. There are only a handful of customers that are on these existing solutions, but they're often demoed in the past before. So if you are in the scenario where they're being end of life, then what should you do? Well, now it is time to go back to the drawing board and figure out a point of sale solution that will be best for you. That really means that you're going out into the market to find the right POS solution and then have it integrated to NetSuite. There are also a couple of point of sale solutions that are already pre-built inside of NetSuite with NetSuite native tools that I'll also recommend as we go through this video too. So let's go through some of the different options that you might want to consider as you're starting to evaluate your NetSuite point of sale solution so that you finally have a replacement for SuiteCommerce in-store or NetSuite point of sale. Or if you're just starting to evaluate NetSuite for the first time, you're going to want to start picking out one of these solutions too. So the first one on my list is going to be In8Sync's point of sale solution. They have a number of solutions out there. I've often referred to them for a handful of opportunities, and I found them to have a pretty good team overall. I've enjoyed working with them, collaborating with them. They have a really clean product, especially if you're doing low volumes. Let's say you just have a storefront and you're a wholesale distributor, manufacturer, but you have like a storefront where occasionally you have some orders where people come in, place an order, and then leave and pick up right there at the counter. So for those scenarios and maybe some like mid-volume levels, now this wouldn't be the point of sale solution where you're doing a crazy amount of retail across the board, but it's a good lightweight solution if you need an option. It's built inside of NetSuite, fully connected there, and they're leveraging their application to be able to pass that data back and forth. So it's a pretty clean solution, specifically for a lightweight point of sale when you're largely doing the rest of your business is not point of sale. It's largely going to, maybe the rest of your business is, orders via EDI or through e-commerce as a whole, and that in the point of sale in store is just a small component. Then I think that it's a pretty solid fit. So the next option for a point of sale solution for NetSuite, probably what I would go with is Point of Sale. It's a really great option, pretty good price point overall for retail, specifically if you have high volume. Let's say you're a retail company with lots of outlets, like clothing outlets across the board, and you have NetSuite as your back office for all your inventory management. Well, that scenario is going to play out really well when you have lots of locations, lots of registers, and have high volume and foot traffic across the board. So really going to be catered towards those businesses. They can certainly do the lighter weight functionality too. And so you could still evaluate it as an option. But if I were trying to set the differentiators between the different scenarios of a point of sale solution, this is where I would create some generalizations where then point of sale is going to be that higher foot traffic, higher volume, more locations, more registers, and then have that application integrated into NetSuite. And then you're going to have the In8Sync as the other option, which is that lower transaction volume. There are a couple other solutions out on the market. I don't have anything positive or negative to say. I'm just indifferent. So I'm just sharing my thoughts on the different solutions that I've come across. And if I were someone who had SuiteCommerce in-store or NetSuite POS, I suspect you're going to be in the camp of maybe like In8Sync's point of sale solution. But there might be a handful of them that I would actually start. I actually know of a couple clients I have that were on SuiteCommerce in-store that I'd probably go with because they have 50 plus locations, have a good amount of foot traffic. I'd probably point them towards the point of sale solution. And I have some that just are really they're a wholesaler and doing like 20 walk-in orders a day at one location, two locations of their distribution centers. And I'd probably be steering them towards the In8Sync point of sale. So that's a generalization, but they are both things that you might want to consider. And if you want me to share some more of my thoughts on these solutions, you can feel free to reach out to us at anchorgroup.tech, and I can help gather some questions, answer some questions, and maybe tell you what I would do if I was in your position. So hopefully that helps, especially as you're navigating this end-of-life transition from NetSuite point of sale or SuiteCommerce in-store, or if you're coming to NetSuite for the first time and need some type of point of sale solution.